Ralph Mann, Mann's Outdoors. Today we're going to be planting some sweet potatoes in container bags. We've got 10-gallon bags, and first off we're going to mix up our own potting mix. I'll leave a link down below exactly how we do that. But we're going to get this mixed up. It is a combination of peat moss, black cow manure, and topsoil. We're going to add a little bit of cocoa coir and ocean forest potting soil mix to it, just to help it retain moisture. And let's mix it up right here in the wheelbarrow, and then we'll go plant the bags. Now that is some pretty good looking dirt. We're going to be growing sweet potatoes in it, so we need it to be loose, and the peat moss is going to help with that. It's also going to help retain moisture. So let's go get it in the bag. Well, we've got 4 bags filled up. Now we only got 100 more to go. No, just kidding. We're going to plant 2 sweet potatoes, slips in each one of these. So there's 8, and we've got 25 slips to plant. So I got to get busy. We've got 12 10-gallon bags. We're going to plant 2 slips per bag. We've got 1 7-gallon bag, the green one. We're going to plant 1 in it. We've got 25 slips, so that works out perfect. And I've still got a bag left over. So let's get the potatoes planted. As I said, we're going to plant 2 per bag, 1 to the green bag. We're going to add a little bit of Plant Tone organic fertilizer in the hole. We've got our 25 slips right there, and then on top we're going to add a little bone meal, and then we'll water it in. Bone meal will take a little bit to break down, but it is great for root vegetables. Well, it was supposed to be 25 slips. It ended up being more like 30, but that's okay. I got them planted, and now I'm going to add a little organic bone meal to it, and we're going to water these in, and let's get it growing. I'm going to spread the bone meal, and then we'll water it in. Hit these with some water. Get that bone meal working, or at least starting to dissolve. It's a little slow reacting sometimes, and that's fine. We just want to make sure that all the plants are watered well. We did add water to the peat moss as we were making the potting soil. So it's still a little moist, but I want to be sure and hit it real good. And then tomorrow we'll give it a check. But all is looking good right now. Ralph Mann, Mann's Outdoors. We've got them all planted. Ended up being about 30 slips instead of 25, which I'm happy with that. But they're all moistened down. We're going to keep an eye on them. We've got another 50 that are already in the garden. And so we'll let you know how these turn out. We're doing the grow bags for the first time this year. So hopefully it works out well. We've seen some other people do it, say that the roots get kind of root bound, which makes the tubers grow bigger. That's what we're hoping for. If you found anything helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit the like button, share it with a friend. And it really does help if you subscribe to the channel. Gets our videos posted out to more people. Till next time, God bless.